In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to sift through large amounts of data to find just what you need, the filter function is your best friend. It's a powerful tool that makes sorting and organizing your information a breeze. So let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, we begin by typing an equals sign followed by the word filter. As soon as you type this, you'll need to open a parenthesis. Now, this is where we're going to identify the range of data we want to filter. You can do this in one of two ways. You can either type in the range manually, or, if you prefer a more interactive approach, simply click and drag your mouse over the specific cells you're interested in. Once you've got your data range set, the next step is all about setting up the condition that will guide your filter. For example, if you're working with a dataset that includes gender information, and you want to focus only on female data, here's what you'll do next. You highlight the range of cells that contains the gender information. Then you type an equals sign followed by the word female enclosed in quotation marks. This condition tells Google Sheets to look specifically for entries marked as female within that designated range. You should also know that this isn't where your options end. You can add more conditions to refine your filter even further. However, for the sake of simplicity in this demonstration, we'll stick with the one condition of filtering for female data. Now, the magic moment, pressing the Enter key. As soon as you do this, you'll see that your Google Sheet immediately serves up a clean list, displaying only the data entries that match your specified condition. In this case, only female data. It might look like the result just appeared out of thin air, but remember, it's all thanks to the careful setup of the filter function and your specified conditions. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to zero in on the data you need using Google Sheets. With this skill, you can manage and analyze your data far more effectively and efficiently, allowing you to focus on what really matters. The filter function not only saves time, but also lets you draw insights from your data with ease. Happy filtering, and see you next time.